Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today I'm going to show you that how can you add a landscape page in a MS Word file. So generally whenever we are typing it, we are typing it in this portrait mode, and you can see in this portrait mode it's going to be a vertical page. But if you want a kind of a horizontal page, which we called as landscape, so how can we get that landscape in between, and again we can again get the portrait continuously. So this is required whenever, let's say, we want to put a big table, right? We have a good big image when we want to put it, and this you can find in generally many of these research articles I have seen in that. So I'm giving you an example of that. So how can we do this? One more thing also, you can see that this page number will remain continuous, which is very essential. So let's see, you're at page 4. After this page 4, you have to provide a landscape layout. How can you do that? So I'm at page 4. I will go down, I will hit enter button, and I will go to the next page. But now the next page comes out as portrait layout. So to change this layout, what you have to do, you have to go to this layout. Then if you click on landscape, you can see all will change. So don't do this one. Before putting a landscape before putting a landscape page, go to the previous page over here. Make sure your cursor will be blinking on the page, on the previous page, and then go to this break, and then go to this next page. Don't do this page break, do the section break. Click on next page. Right now you are over here, click on landscape, the page will become landscape. Now again, if you write everything, write or draw table, and you just go to the next page, it will again come as a landscape. But now you don't want a landscape, you want a portrait. So make your cursor again on the previous page, go to the break, and now click on continuous. But as you can see, it doesn't change. Now what you have to do, go to the next page, go to the orientation, click on portrait, so it becomes portrait. But you can see that the page numbers remain continuous. So in this way you can add a landscape layout of page in between of your Word file. Easy way. So if you like this, hit the like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman for more such videos. Thank you.